The Japanese are famous and have been for many years about how you would transform not just the business performance and the metrics, but also the culture and the engagement of organisations, which is still today a great source of learning for many organisations around the world. That would apply to manufacturing organisations, but it could also be maintenance and repair, and it could also be service organisations, because within a manufacturing organisation you still have the sales and marketing organisations to support it. So really it can be across all areas. The people that will benefit most from this would be people who are right at the start of their transformation. So, questions, concerns, how to begin, who to involve. Secondly, it may be people that are part way through, so they have some curiosity, having made some improvements, but then also thinking, how do we approach the next challenges? And the third type of person that would benefit would be leaders who have responsibilities across an organisation. So they're considering, how can we integrate everybody into the improvement process? So the way that we've structured the tour is people are going to see a variety of manufacturing companies, and what people are going to see is real best practice. This will be organisations not at the start of the journey, but decades into the journey, literally 10, 20, 30 years of maturity. So people are going to see how to set the bar in terms of how good is good, and also people will see how to structure the improvements over a period of time. So what should the activities be short term as well as medium and longer term. So currently, if we think, today people have got all sorts of information sources. Google will find everything. So the way that this tour is structured is people get the opportunity to see firsthand, face to face, and into the manufacturing facilities exactly what the change looks like. And people get the opportunity to talk with the people who actually made those changes happen. So it's an opportunity to learn the subtle nuances around how business is transformed, and it's also an opportunity for people to network with the other people who attend the tour, and of course the hosts as well. So if people want to find out more, please get in touch directly or just follow the links to the Industry Forum website.